instead of travel down under to 15 meals under $15, starting at $9.95. It'll make you happy learning for a while after going through. Adventurous. Go out there.
What's up, Mark?
See you, Mark. Looks like this night on Hotels.com. Do I get them free? You, me, getaway.
Where?
Anywhere you want.
A bed and breakfast?
Bed and breakfast. Check.
A place by the beach?
A place by awesome.
Oh, you're smart.
Accumulate 10 nights and get a night free. What's the reward? Smart. So smart. And then also, this place to look for savings. They save an average of $390. What's this documentary? Man, right here, this is my business. Buying, selling, whatever, you know. Stop, man. Slow it down. Seems like having I mean, they get half the street. Medical cabinet. How am I supposed to do shit? Well, they go shop for your kids and don't look at me, man. Ain't my problem. I didn't do it. Tell me your drug dealer to get contacted. Safeguard your prescription. Safeguard your kids. Spectacular new Tuscan chicken melted. Italian seasoned chicken, melted cheese, luscious with 9 cents a pound. Fresh fit meal. A simple way to eat better. Subway. Eat fresh.
Babe.
You all want to run your businesses more efficiently, so we brought in a team of experts to help.
One suggestion is to make your shipping more efficient with priority mail flat rate boxes.